Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find uh, your your profile section on your account on eBay easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this eBay application, and then as you see here we are on the home page. So here next to the home page we find my eBay. So as you see here we find this your profile, so click on it. Now as you see here you can edit profile, so you can change your name, you can add something about you. Here if you want to add your profile photo, and after this click save and it will be saved. So that's it for today, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.